Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We are back with another rack store pickup. And this time I was able to find something at Burlington. And one of the reasons why this one was so intriguing to me was because of all the hate that it gets on Fragrantica. I was curious about it. I've seen it quite a few times. The scent I'm talking about is Urban Hero from Jimmy Choo. Now, a couple things. I know for one, this is the 50 ml. You can get it cheaper on the Perfume Spot. So I probably certainly overpaid. The sole reason I grabbed this again was to just see why people don't like it. But $36.99 is what I paid for the 50 ml. So a little overpriced in my opinion. You can get it cheaper on online discounters. I'm going to try this. I'm going to test it on strip, see what I get, try it on skin, and then ultimately let you guys know if this is something worth grabbing. Is it as bad as everyone says? So really quickly, let's just take a look at the bottle. You have this sort of reflective silver top here, and then the lower third of the bottle is the actual glass see-through. You can see the juice. It appears to be sort of bluish juice. It feels pretty heavy. The bottle feels pretty heavy in hand. Despite being a 50 ml. And I really like the cap. The cap has sort of this herringbone detail to it. And yeah, not too bad. And pretty heavy cap as well. So presentation, not bad. Let's check the atomizer. Nice atomizer as well. Puts out a lot of juice. Not getting much from the air right now. A little bit of sweetness. Okay, so this is a fresh fragrance to me. Fresh and sweet. Reminds me of something I've smelled before. Has some fresh sweetness, a little bit of amber. Soapy, slightly soapy, maybe some lavender in here. Not picking up any real citrus or anything like that. Maybe slight citrus, but it's pretty typical citrus, maybe like a bergamot or something like that. Nothing that stands out. What is standing out, however, is that soapy feel, at least on the strip. Nothing impressive so far off of the strip. So I'm going to get this on skin. I'm going to take a look at the notes and see how much it changes on skin. So let's take a look at the notes. The notes for Jimmy Choo Urban Hero. Top notes are black pepper and finger lime. Mid notes are palisander rosewood and vetiver. And the base notes are leather and ambergris. Okay, so it has a familiar smell to it. One thing, at least, I mean, I'm going to give it a minute. But the first thing that does jump out at me is the quality. It's pretty synthetic and it doesn't really have great quality, to be honest. It's a little cheap smelling. And that's still sort of remaining as I air this out a bit. So off of skin, I'm definitely picking up more of that lime, more of the citrus. But it is still soapy clean. It has a little bit of sweetness here. It has almost a warmth to it. So that I do like. I do like that combination of fresh, sweet, and warm. But still coming across as a clean smelling scent. I really do like that. I'm not picking up really much of that leather just yet. It is in the dry down. It's later in the fragrance. And as I always do with these rack store pickups is I wear them that week and I feature them in my weekly wears video, which drops every single Monday. So I'll be able to give a better sense of, longevity and how this did overall in terms of performance. And I am picking up some of those woods as well. It's there. I can see, I think Fragrantica on first impressions nailed this one in terms of the score. I think it was roughly like a 3.5 overall. And that's right where I would put this scent. It's not terrible. It's not great. It's sort of right down the middle. If I'm ranking this on a scale of 5, this is a 3.5. Jimmy Choo, a couple of their fragrances, I think they're really fantastic on the opening. And then they kind of, from me, kind of just, with the exception being Man Ice, which I think is a beautiful scent. I think that's a really fantastic summer fragrance. Some of the others I've tried from Jimmy Choo, they start off great. They're pretty, you're hopeful. And then they kind of quickly fade into just average fragrances, pretty generic. My concern is that that's what's going to happen here. I'm barely picking it up right now. So I'm going to wear this. I'm going to try it and see what I get from it overall. But I got to, I'm kind of eating my words because Frank Rantica, as much as they troll, they nailed this one. So Jimmy Choo, Urban Hero. That's all I have today, guys. Let me know in the comment section down below what your experience is with Jimmy Choo Urban Hero. Is this one that you like, don't like? What is your favorite from the house? I'd be curious to know. Drop it in the comment section down below. If you like what you saw today, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share this video, hit that bell notification so you're updated whenever I upload new content. But until then, have a fantastic day, and I'll see you in the next video.